welcome back to the channel today. Today I received another Takealot order here, so let's take a look. So here we have the first one. These are 6 of Big Jim's 36 centimeter boxes. So let's see. So these are extremely well packaged. Yeah, these are sold by Takealot in a set of 6, which is really nice because it's a lot cheaper to buy these in a set than to buy them individually. So the set costs almost as much as one of these boxes costs. So it's way more sustainable to get them at a lower price, and there's quality. So that's why it's a lot cheaper. Alright. So they look like this. There's 36 centimeters. There's 6 of these. 1, 2, 3. So I already have 1 of them, so I'm going to have 7 in total here, which is really nice. Let's see if we can get the remaining 3 out. So these are packed like boxes in here. Alright, there we go. Easy. So another 1. So this is number 4. 5 and 6. So we're gonna have 7 in total now, which is really nice. I'm gonna use these actually to sort all my Technic pieces, so they're easier when I'm doing some rebreakable.com models. Now let's move on to the box. Yeah, this box almost seems like almost too small, but if everything's in here that I ordered, I'm glad. Alright, so, okay, so here we have Diary of an Apprentice Astronaut by Samantha Cristoforetti. Amazing book. I've heard some amazing things about it. Here we have the cover. It's the Japanese module here on the cover, and then of course the back side here, Samantha in cupola. So yeah, this book absolutely amazing. Super excited to read this. Heard some amazing things, everybody. All right, so here we have this. So here we have a bracelet collection, or a bracelet making kit. Sorry about that, like that. So we have 2 of these. And here we have another set. And yeah, so that is everything that I got. Thank you everyone for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.